Hi, my name is Katie Hintz-Zambrano, and I am the founder of Mother, or MotherMag.com, as well as In Good Company. MotherMag.com is a modern parenting website I started 5 years ago. In Good Company is an event series and annual conference for creative entrepreneurial women. Many of them are mothers. I started the company Mother, or MotherMag.com 5 years ago, and I had the idea for the company pretty much as soon as I brought my son Diego home from the hospital. I realized there was no website out there that talked about parenting in a modern way and was really focused on women and not just children. And so I ended up launching the company just, I think, 1 month after he turned 1 year old. About 2 years after launching Mother, I started to have the entrepreneurial itch again and felt like there was another void in the market that I wanted to fill. And this time it was a conference for creative entrepreneurs that were women, and many of them who are also mothers. I wanted to have really deep discussions around female business ownership, as well as the overlap between owning a business and also having this not 9 to 5 but 24/7 job of raising children, and also like being a big boss, and how can you do both. And I think it's actually a really rich subject and nobody had ever really explored it before. And so that's what we do at In Good Company, the conference. It's what we do in our we have events throughout the year that kind of, create community around these deep topics, and also just peer-to-peer mentoring. And we've seen so many just beautiful friendships and business partnerships, form through this amazing community we have. I think intention, whether it be just your whole business plan or every day of your business, is really key. I think just sitting back, especially for me in the morning, taking a couple minutes, really thinking about what do I really need to do today for my business, and what do I need to do today for myself. I really want to know from within myself, what do I really think I need to get done? Like what's really eating at me, if it's gonna keep eating at me if I don't do. So just like jotting that all down before everyone else is in my face. So that's one thing. And also I have this journal called the 5-Minute Journal. And so it asks very succinctly every day, like, you wake up, 3 things that you're grateful for. I think it's really it's really important just to have a gratitude practice, right? Like before anything, you woke up in the morning, like that's something to be grateful for. So anyways, the journal asks about 3 things that you're grateful for, and then asks, today would be great if these 3 things happened. And I think that that's really, again, just like I have a laundry list of things I think I have to do, but it's not realistic to get that done in the day. So I think just distilling what do I need to do, and both for myself and for the business, really important. I feel like I'm kind of a Photoshop flunky in a way. I took a lot of graphic arts courses in college, and I just could never remember it all, or like how to make that thing disappear. And so sometimes I'm like doing YouTube tutorials about really niche things just to create like a very simple graphic. So I'm super hacky, and I just know I could be saving so much time that's like super valuable, especially when you own a business. So I'm excited to work with PicMonkey and just create better graphics, because they're so important today, but also just save myself time and stop being so hacky about the whole thing. So happy about how it went tonight. I think that I love the other panelists. I learned a lot from them. We all exchanged information, so I'm excited to keep that relationship going. I thought the crowd was great. I think people asked great questions. They kept asking questions. They kind of didn't stop. We had to kind of cut them off. So that's always a great, that's a great thing. I felt like we all offered really different perspectives and kind of come from different industries. And so I felt like there was kind of a little bit something for everybody that was in the audience.